Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you some simple and useful English words that we use every day with our families. Are you ready, Saduna?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start together. Saduna, do you know what we call sister-daughter in English?
Yes, she's your niece.
That's right. This is my niece. She's very kind.
I love my aunt very much.
Saduna, do you know what we call my sister's son in English?
Nephew.
That's right, nephew. My nephew is very smart and funny.
He always makes us smile.
Saduna, شنو بالنسبة للأحفاد؟ شو نسميهم بالإنجليزي؟
Grandchildren.
Exactly, grandchildren. My dad has 5 grandchildren.
We love our grandpa.
And now, the question is for you. Do you know what we call wife's mother or husband's mother in English? Write below in comments. See you next videos.
Have a good day.